Go.
So the other muscle group we deal with is the hypothenar eminence. This is going to be on our pinky side. So we only have 3 muscles this time: orange, green, and brown. So as we go through here, we'll take away Mr. Trail Guide. We'll take back our hand. We already have the thenar muscles already drawn in. We still have our common origin. So the first we're going to do is orange, and this is abductor digiti minimi. So because we're back into these fingers, we are now in normal sagittal and frontal plane motion here. So abductor, a little bit of pisiform, a little bit of the ligament. It's going to come on the ulnar side, and again to the proximal phalanx. So when it contracts, it's going to abduct digiti minimi and bring it back. All right. Next, we're going to go green. That's going to be flexor digiti minimi brevis. Again, a little hamate action, a little ligament action. It's going to come up obviously on the palmar side to the distal phalanx. So when this contracts, it's going to be sagittal plane motion, and you get flexion out of it. And our third hypothenar intrinsic muscle, we already know we have one opponent, so now we have to have the opponent's digiti minimi. And just like the thenar muscle, this one's coming to the metacarpal. So it's going to be right here, if I can get the marker to work, on the 5th metacarpal coming across. It doesn't make a big sail, it just kind of goes right to the 5th metacarpal. So when we do true opposition, we're going to be bringing both the metacarpals together, and that's your opposable opposition motion. So very similar to the thenar muscles, we have proximal phalanx insertions, except for opposition, which is on your metacarpal. And so these together are all the intrinsic muscles of the hand. We didn't talk about the lumbricals and the dorsal and palmar neurosii, but those will be running in between here, and honestly I'm not going to draw them in because it'd be just too confusing. Keep in mind we do have some extrinsic muscles going to digiti minimi and going to pollicis that start up here on the forearm and on the posterior forearm.